well. I filmed like 10 shoes, I think, in the past 2 days. Look at how beautiful the sky is right now. The most beautiful sunsets. It's even like reflecting quite nicely there. But it's been crazy. I've been working and shooting all these shoes and unboxings, and got a lot of great things coming in the future with some partnerships. So excited for you all to see them. What's up, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today's video is brought to you by Culture Kings. We are going to be taking a look at the women's exclusive Air Jordan 1 Low in what's being called the Team Red or the Eclipse Bronze. So let's take a quick sneak peek. And welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to leave any comments or questions you may have down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button. We've got some amazing membership perks as well as an amazing merch store. So as we spoke about earlier, we're going to be talking about a sneaker that was sent my way by Culture Kings. And all of the clothes in the styling section are also clothes that you can find on Culture Kings website. These are looks that I picked out that I think are going to be amazing back to school pieces. And I think that this color and silhouette is an amazing shoe for back to school as well. So first we're going to start off with the overview, and then we're going to talk about size and fit. Then we're going to jump into styling. If you are interested as well in purchasing any of the items in my styling section, be sure to check out my links in the description box down below. And if you do purchase anything on their website, anything over $100 value, you will get some sneaker guards. So be sure to use that promo code that I have in my description box as well. And then we're going to conclude with where we can potentially expect to see these. All right, now let's jump into it. So starting with the front of this toe box, it's just a nice crisp white leather. Then on the front, we have this really cool coloring scheme. This actually reminds me of the Supreme colorway that dropped on the Dunks. It's kind of this like burnt burgundy color, but also has some brown hues to it. So we've got that on the front of the toe box and some crisp white laces with a nylon tongue and a nice Jumpman logo, again, in that really cool kind of burgundy burnt brown color scheme. And we've got the 23 right there as well in the same colorway. Let's take a look at those details and then move on to the side panels. So moving on to the side panels, we've got just white underlays on the leather underneath the swoosh that again is in that kind of cool Eclipse bronze color scheme. Wrapping around, we've got the Air Jordan Wings logo on the back there in a nice crisp white, which really pops off of this color. Then as we work our way to the other side panel, we've got again the crisp white underlays of that leather, and then again more of that Eclipse bronze color scheme. On the insole, we've just got a simplistic white insole with that bronze color scheme for the Jumpman logo, and then the shoe is then complete with a white midsole and that Eclipse bronze for the outsole. Let's take a look at all those details. All right, so moving on to size and fit. So this was a women's exclusive. Again, this has not actually been released yet. So for those of you wondering as far as size goes, I would say stick true to size on this one. I am a woman's size 9, which is equivalent to a men's size 7.5. I do have high arch, narrow feet, so depending on what type of foot you have, if it's flat or wide, it may actually decipher a different sizing that works better for you. All right, so let's jump into the styling section. I think that this is a great color for the fall and the winter. Honestly, I think this is a great color all year round, but I definitely am really looking into styling for this upcoming season. And as everyone has kind of been making their purchases on their back to school pieces, I think that a lot of the pieces that Culture Kings has on their website are insanely amazing and different and unique. So you definitely have to check Culture Kings out if you haven't already. But some of the pieces I picked out on their website, the first was a 23 Minx wrap front top. It's a really cool top that can kind of be wrapped across your waist, and it's all black, and I paired that with a starter bomber jacket, which I think that sheen of the black just worked quite nicely with that Minx top underneath. And then for the bottoms, I decided to wear a 23 brand asymmetric light denim pant. I think that the light denim just, again, works very well with this, and it's a nice classic look that I think you could wear all year round.
What you want? My dog hit my line, I hit him back like what you on. I'm like, ooh, hit the park at 1. Took a right turn and now we back inside the coach. I'm like, ooh, and you know what? Decade dedicated, get the music just to blow up every year.
For the second look, I decided to switch it up this time with a sweatshirt crew neck. This is a starter crew neck, which the colors on there match this Eclipse bronze to a T. And that heather gray just paired quite nicely with the 23 asymmetric jeans that I wore.
Every year that pass, I feel the pressure as I grow up. Way more pressure on me now than ever, but I'm so stuck. Started chasing money, got a bit and I glowed up. So why the fuck I'm sick as hell about it? I could throw up. Damn, I miss the days that I'm in music. I would throw up on the internet and hope that Dre would hit my phone up. Back then did a photo shoot and thought I was a star. Trip to ATL, I hit the mall to hand out cars. Dreams of doing numbers at the garden. 2019, I got to do a track for Harden. So why the fuck I'm sick as hell about it? I could throw up. Damn, I miss the days that I'm in music. I would throw.
And then for the last and final look, I decided to wear a little more sporty of a look. This time it was all Champion, so I wore a reverse weave cropped crew neck. And that was in this nice kind of evergreen colorway, which I think that color goes great with this. And then for the bottoms, I wore some all black Champion leggings, and I think that leggings also just go great with this, and leggings are just kind of a nice thing to transition as we get into cooler temperatures.
I would throw up on the internet and hope that Wayne would hit my phone up. Ignorance was bliss, but today I guess I know stuff. Scared to lose the passion, scared to see my dreams die right before it happened. Had to tell my kids that I used to be a rapper. Daddy, what happened? Isn't your friend celebrating going platinum? Used to do it full time, how'd you move backwards? Tell them they can do anything they put their mind to, knowing that I tried to. Words leave my mouth, but I feel like they were lied to. Dark, cold void.
So you let me know down below what was your favorite look out of the three, and be sure to check out those links if you're interested, or if you're just looking to buy some amazing back to school pieces. Be sure to head on over to the Culture Kings website after this video.
Cause I like the chase, sucking all that lines while I'm catching my breath. You know I'm coming for you, you know I'm coming. Give it to me, hard, I'll never resist. You know I have it in me, the edge and the heat. Bring it on all day long, I could give you a lift. Cause I am coming for you, you know I'm coming for you. You know I'm coming for you, you know I'm coming. You know I'm coming for you. No matter what, your time is up, your time is up, it's playtime. No matter what, no matter what, no matter what, let's play a game now. You know we're coming for you, you know we're coming for you, you know we're coming for you, for you, for you. You know we're coming for you, you know we're coming for you, you know we're coming for you. To light it up in fire, for ya, 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 for ya. You know we're coming for ya, 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 for ya. You know we're coming for ya.
All right, so as far as release dates, there are rumors that should be releasing at some point this year, but we do not have an exact date, unfortunately. But I would highly recommend keeping your eyes out for this, because I think this is a fire colorway and a great shoe just to have in your collection. All right, that's it for this unboxing and review. Thanks again to the Culture Kings team for sending these shoes and those clothing pieces over. And if you're new here, thanks so much for joining. Be sure to hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave me any comments or questions down below. Hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button. We've got some amazing membership perks as well as an amazing merch store. All right, that's it for this episode. My name is Marissa Hill. This is Shay TV. We will catch you on the next one.